Can I change the 4-digit PIN number on my Visa gift card?
Hello and welcome. In this video, we will discuss whether it is possible to change the 4-digit PIN number on your Visa gift card. If you've ever wondered about this, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in.
Understanding Visa gift card PINs.
Visa gift cards are a popular choice for gifting and can be used at various merchants where Visa is accepted. These cards typically come with a 4-digit PIN number, which is an added layer of security when making purchases or using the card at an ATM.
PIN customization options.
Now, let's address the question at hand. Can you change the 4-digit PIN number on your Visa gift card? Unfortunately, in most cases, the answer is no. Unlike credit or debit cards issued by banks, Visa gift cards usually come with a predetermined PIN that cannot be changed.
Using the Visa gift card.
Even though you may not be able to change the PIN on your Visa gift card, you can still use it for various transactions. When making a purchase at a store, simply swipe or insert the card into the payment terminal and follow the prompts. If prompted to enter a PIN, you'll need to enter the original PIN that came with the card.
Checking the card's balance.
It's important to keep track of the remaining balance on your Visa gift card to avoid any surprises during a transaction. You can typically check the balance by visiting the issuer's website or by calling the customer service number provided on the back of the card. In conclusion, you cannot change the 4-digit PIN number on your Visa gift card in most cases. However, you can still use the card for purchases and check the balance to ensure a smooth shopping experience. If you have any specific questions or concerns about your Visa gift card, it's always a good idea to reach out to the card issuer's customer service for assistance. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Have a great day!